Who you're seeing here is cash from Jupiter Exchange, the biggest DEX and aggregator on Solana. And what he's announcing here is, as you can see, the JUPUSD, Jupiter, is launching their own stablecoin together with Ethena, whose founder you're seeing here. We're gonna talk about this in a bit, but we will also talk about the new desktop wallet from Jupiter, and also the active staking rewards, which are just staking rewards, as you know if you watch my previous videos. So let's dive right in. Stay tuned, because there's also some hidden alpha that I found in terms of the stablecoin for Jupiter Stakers. So stay tuned. And first of all, we're gonna take a look at this here, and this is the Jupiter wallet. Today marks a giant leap for DeFi, introducing Jupiter Wallet for desktop. The most advanced Solana wallet is finally here. Gasless trading, deep integration with Jupiter products, P&L analysis, which is also new. You can see this on the Jupiter website as well. And 10 times lower fees than any other wallet. As they say here, finally here after overwhelming demand. Now finally, what is, I told you this in the past, this is not paid advertisement here. This is just my opinion. Jupiter Mobile is currently my favorite desktop app for sure, and you can see this here. In terms of Solana, nothing beats Jupiter Mobile in my opinion, so I'm super happy that they now finally also have a desktop version. You can download this for your favorite browser. For example, in my case, it's the Chrome browser. As you can see, only 61 reviews so far. It's pretty new. And yeah, let me know what your favorite Solana wallet is. I know that on mobile it has been Jupiter for me. On desktop, to be honest, it's either Solflare or Phantom, but I know a lot of people are also swearing that Backpack is the best. So let me know in the comments which your favorite Solana wallet is. Now, before we come to the active staking rewards and how to claim them, we talk about the stablecoin that Jupiter is launching and what this might have to do with the Jupiter Stakers. We already watched this video here in the beginning. Breaking: Jupiter is launching its own stablecoin built in partnership with Ethena, who I'm a big fan of. If you watch my channel, then you know that Ethena has been giving out quite some nice rewards for everyone as well. Let's see what they are saying about this. JUPUSD will have deep integrations across every Jupiter product, and this is interesting because, well, Jupiter is the biggest DEX on Solana. Collateral on Jupiter perps, liquidity in Jupiter Lend, trading on Swap, Pro and Mobile, integration into new products we're building. So this is super interesting, especially since they are building out JupNet. So they now also have their personal stablecoin. They don't need to rely on others. They have this in-house, and I guess that makes a lot of sense. A stablecoin for everything Jupiter, including JUP holders. And this is the alpha that I meant. There has been rumors about giving out rewards or giving the JUP Stakers some kind of rewards, or actually a percentage of all the trades in form of a stablecoin, so the JUP token does not get deflated. And now that JUP is launching their own stablecoin, this might actually be possible, especially since regulation in the States is getting easier in terms of crypto. So this might actually be something that we're seeing really soon. This is a screenshot from the JUP Marketing Command Center on Telegram, where they always post the newest stuff, and they highlight this here as well. A stablecoin for everything Jupiter, including JUP holders. So let's see. Launching Q4 25 with independent audits. That's good. We don't want to see our money get drained. Although JUPUSD is not live yet, you can become a launch partner or integrator by reaching out. So if you're building something, if you're already out there, have a large protocol, maybe reach out to them. But for most of you, this point will probably not be as interesting. No one knows stablecoins like Ethena. Those are the ones they are launching this with. They already have USDE and USDB together with BlackRock, so they know how to launch a stablecoin properly, especially with launch partners. After minting 16 billion in stablecoins, they have the expertise and the track record to make JUPUSD best in class. I just told you. Initially, JUPUSD will be 100% collateralized by USDtb. This is the one from BlackRock. Over time, we'll add USDE as collateral to optimize yield rates for JUPUSD. So this is something which is good for USDE or Ethena holders as well. Especially if you're holding Ethena, then there's the next deep integration into one of the largest protocols out there. And think of it more as blockchain as well, because in the long term they plan on releasing JUPNet. So this is bullish for Ethena holders and also for everyone involved in Jupiter. I think it makes a lot of sense. Solana native mint redeem contracts are being built out right now with the expectation to go live in mid Q4. So we're talking November, probably maybe end of November, early December, once they've been audited multiple times, if you're interested, and so on and so on. That's it on the stablecoin. I'm personally bullish, and again, just stating my opinion, Ethena and Jupiter. I have been talking about both a lot. Make your own opinion, but I think this is bullish for both of them. Now, let's talk about the staking rewards, last but not least. One of my favorite Jupiter creators, Lost, posted this. All you had to do was stake and wait. 25,000 JUP resulted in an active staking rewards allocation of almost 2K. This is 7.5% return in a quarter year. Just use Jupiter. So this is really good, I would say. As you know, if you watch my previous videos, they paused the active part. You can't vote right now. And let's be honest, most of the votes have just been, is this logo here nice? Should we do this? But the real decisions have been made in the background. So I think it makes sense to just pause this. And how do you claim? You go to vote.jup.ag/ASR. As always, all the links are down in the description. And then you just scroll down after connecting your wallet, and then you can go here, and then you can see the claim period for July till September is on. You can hit claim, you can see your amount, you can hit claim, and then it gets automatically staked. So if you go back to vote.jup.ag without the /ASR, then this should get added to your voting power. But again, you can't vote right now. The last vote that we've seen was early June. This is how you get your staking rewards. Also make sure to watch this video here, because I'm talking about Meteora and how they are allocating some of their airdrop to Jupiter Stakers. So if you've staked Jupiter, then you will be eligible to get the Meteora token, MET. I talk about this in this video here and in another one, so make sure to check those out, because you will benefit from this as well. And that's already it. Thank you so much for watching, and see you in the next video.